this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back. Well, as you can see, we are taking a road trip, and we're going to go to a place, and I'm going to take y'all along with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the camera around and just let y'all see. And by the time we get there, I'm going to let you know where we're going. And I'm going to go to one of these places that I've been wanting to go for a really long time, and it's part of my business. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So this is a travel with me vlog, and yeah. So look, there go my husband, there go my twin, there go my other twin, and my oldest is sitting back sitting back there in the back. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna turn that camera around, and you pretty much know where we're going once you see some of the signs, but I'll let you know by the time we get there. And yeah, so let me take
your phone. Yeah, it's kind of like you just sit down.
about to go to a Viva Wholesale. So we're gonna go and check out and see what they have. And I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's go. So hey. Alright, y'all, so we are coming up to a Viva Wholesale. I'm super excited to go in here. As you can see, let's see. Can you see right over here to the right hand side? So we're about to turn in to go and to check it out. Let's see. It's not too many cars here. So we're gonna go and see how many people in here. All right, a Viva Wholesale, Atlanta, Georgia, open to the public. Everyone, so you saw us in a Viva Wholesale, and I bought a lot of shirts. I bought some vinyl, and I bought some other things that I will be showing you. I'm going to be going in here after I get back. I'm going to show you everything that I bought. And yeah, so right now we are at a Food Mark, and as you see, my girls got them a ice cream. Look at my oldest right there. So yeah, I hope that you all are enjoying this travel vlog. I said I decided to do something different. If this is something that you would like, I can add this to my channel because we do a lot of traveling when it comes to my business and things like that. So I would love for you all to travel with us. We are family here. So like I said, I will show you everything that I bought at a Viva Wholesale. If you're having a Viva Wholesale in your area, make sure you're going to check it out. They're really nice. They have some really nice t-shirts, sublimation vinyl. I really haven't cranked up my Cricut in a while, besides me doing the rhinestone t-shirts, but I am going to be adding some vinyl to the t-shirts that I bought. So yeah, so I'll be doing that. Y'all, I am back. As you will see, we did a travel vlog, and we went to Atlanta this weekend. So I'm going to show you the things that I bought at a Viva Wholesale. So I took you along with me to a Viva Wholesale. We went shopping. We had a great time. So now it's time to show you what all I purchased. And so first of all, I went ahead and purchased some vinyl. Now they had some amazing vinyl, very reasonable prices. So now I'm going to show you what I have, okay? So I got 3 of these HTV vinyls. I got the blue. This is beautiful. You see this? All 3 of these were $1. They was in a bin for $1. So I had to get some of these. I got the blue. I got this is like a pinkish color. Very pretty. Hopefully you can see it. And I got this like a coral orange color. All right. So now let me show you what I have. I just got a couple of these sheets because some of these I have not tried before, but I went ahead and purchased it anyway because I want to try it. So I had my daughter to take a picture of it because I always like to know what I purchased. You know, since they're sheets, a lot of time it's not written on it. But this one here is a neon pink one. And this is the puff. It has on here what this one is. So this is the puffy 1-foot neon pink HTV. As you can see right here. So I'm going to be using that one. The next one, I thought this was super cute because I love camo. And this one is the pattern HTV. This is the camo, and this is called the pattern HTV. You see this one? Okay, the next one is the regular pink glitter HTV. And this is the glitter pink. And my twin, she picked this one out because she wanted to make her a shirt. All right, so the next one I have, and I have it written down, so I want, okay, this is the Subli fabric. Now, I've never worked with the Subli fabric before, but I wanted to use this. And as you can see, it has a piece of fabric on the back. You see that? And this is the way it looks on the front. So I'm going to try this out. The next one would be the Easy Subli. This is the transparent one. So I want to try this one. The next one I have the printed HTV, and I like the pattern. They had a lot of these were sold out. All the different patterns they had this pattern and they had another one because they had sold out the other ones. So I got this one, and the last one that I got was the flock. Now I always want to try the flock. This is the flock one, and this is just like a dark pink color. All right, so those are the HTVs that I purchased. So let me show you the clothes that I got. So they had a big bin also in the front. When you walk in over to the left-hand side, that had a lot of clothes in it. The clothes were different prices. So I bought well, my daughter bought some joggers that was $9. So that was a great deal. But I'm going to show you this, what my daughter bought. She bought a hoodie. So this is the hoodie that she got. This is I think it's a large. Yeah, this is the large size. And this one is La Viva Sports. Now, some of these I've never heard of before. But this is a very, very soft brand here. Love it. And I think this one was like, what was this, like $8.99, $9.99? It wasn't a bad price at all. All right, then I bought some t-shirts. Now, y'all know I love Gildan shirts. So this one is for my husband. He went and picked him out some t-shirts. This is a hunter, well, it's more like a green color. And like I told you, I love camo. So I had to find me a shirt. Now, this one is a, I don't even know the brand of this one, Code 5 or LA, some apparel. But I purchased this. I love camo, so this is one that I got. And I think I'm going to put something on this one. It is, what is it, 100% cotton. So this is beautiful. I love it. Now, the only thing about this one, I did try it on. I like my shirts to fit big. I don't like for anything to be tight on me. But this one is a little tight, but that's okay. I'm going to wear it. So that's another one that I have. Now, I also purchased these Sublimation hoodies. My daughter wanted me to do something for her. She's been asking me to do it for a long time, y'all. And I have to go ahead and get it done for her. But this is one of the Sublimation hoodies right here. As you see, back and front. This one is a large. Yeah, this is a large, and it's the A4 brand. So that's another hoodie. All right, then we just got some more Gildan shirts. Let's see, this is a beautiful color. This is one that my husband purchased. My husband loved blue. So that's another one. All right, this is another Gildan shirt. This is the gray. Beautiful gray shirt. All right, so my twins went and picked out their own shirts. And you know, I told you one light purple, one little purple, one little pink. Well, actually, this is my shirt. Okay, this is a purple one. So I did get a purple one and a pink one because my colors to my business for Ieasha Designed It is pink and some other colors also. So I got a pink one, and my other twin wanted me to get a purple. So I did get a purple. I love purple and pink. All the colors are beautiful. All right, and this is another one of mine. I got a gray one. So they have so many colors, y'all. I was in there and I was like, I was over here and I was over here and I was like, you know what? I'll just buy the store if I could. But it was really nice. Now, and this is one for my twins. My twin, she picked this one out. This is the Bella Canvas. This is a medium-sized shirt. So this is one that she picked out. Okay, this is a burgundy color. This is one my husband picked out. All right, then we have blue. This is a beautiful blue color. All right, and now this is a 100% polyester shirt. I have something that I'm going to be doing with this shirt, and this is 100% polyester. And this is I think it's a Viva brand. Yeah, wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low. So this is mine. All right, so these are the joggers that my daughter bought. They are so cute. And my husband got a pair also. You know, I told you they had the bin. My husband's joggers were in the bin. His joggers was $9, which was a super great deal. And my daughter's joggers, these right here was, I think they were $10. So that was a great deal. And as you see, they're very heavy, and they're 100%. No, it's 70% cotton and 30% polyester. So with the low polyester count, you cannot supplement on these. But they are really nice, as you see how the lining are in the inside. So during the winter time, these are absolutely amazing because of what it has to keep you warm. But normally we wear joggers around the house anyway. So yeah, so I thank y'all so much for traveling with us to Atlanta, Georgia. We had a great time. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope that you all have an amazing day. And I will see y'all in my next video.